The circus train has just come into the city. All the circus animals are glad to get out of the cars. They have traveled for many hours. Now they can come out into the sunshine and stretch their legs. All the elephants you see here traveled in one boxcar. Some of the men who train the elephants rode in the boxcar too. The men who take care of the elephants are called elephant trainers. The trainers are kind to the elephants. They take good care of them. These elephants came to our country from faraway India. The trainers help the elephants find their places in the line. The little circus ponies travel by themselves in their own boxcar. They have their own trainers too. Their trainers take good care of them and teach them to do tricks. The circus has many, many show horses. It takes 2 boxcars to carry all of them. The elephants walk from the train to the circus grounds. Count them as they walk down the street. Did you count 13 elephants? These animals are also part of the circus. How many can you name? Elephants are very strong. They can do heavy work. Jumbo is big and strong. She helps unload the tents. Jumbo pulls the heavy tent roll from the wagon. She also has learned to unroll the big tent. Jumbo pushes the tent roll with her trunk and her 2 front feet. Her trainer has taught her to roll it out straight. He has taught her to use both her right foot and her left foot. Elephants do many kinds of work in setting up the circus. This wagon is so heavy that 2 elephants are needed to move it. On the days that Jumbo has hard work to do, her trainer gives her 2 1/2 bales of hay to eat. When she is not working, she gets only 1 1/2 bales each day. Besides the hay, Jumbo eats lots of grain, fruits, and vegetables. Jumbo weighs about as much as 4 large horses. The trainers give the elephants a drink of water 3 times a day. Jumbo sucks the water up into her trunk and then blows it into her mouth. Each elephant will drink about 1/2 barrel of water each time he is watered. Now Jumbo is practicing one of the stunts she will do in the big tent when the circus starts. Jumbo must get ready for her part in the big show. But first, she must be clean. Lie down, Jumbo, lie down. That's it. Because her skin is very thick, the broom does not hurt her. In fact, she enjoys the brushing. Jumbo likes to be clean. Elephants' ears are large. They can hear very well. In their native jungle home, their fine hearing helps to protect them from danger. Now that Jumbo is clean, it is time to get her ready to take her part in the big show. Jumbo's colorful circus blanket is carefully folded, so it will be easy for her trainer to put it on her back. Jumbo helps the trainer by keeping still while he works. She is proud of her beautiful circus blanket. When the blanket is in place, the trainer tells Jumbo to stand up. Jumbo has learned to obey her trainers. They have taught her to do many tricks in the big show. This circus also has many camels. The camels have their own trainers to take care of them. The camel circus blanket is made to fit over the two large humps on its back. The camel with two humps is called a Bactrian camel. These camels live in dry desert regions. There is little water on the desert. Camels can go 4 or 5 days without drinking water. For this reason, they are used to carry goods on long trips across the desert. Bactrian camels do not travel fast, but they carry heavy loads. In our country, there is plenty of water. These circus camels get water every day. It is much better for them to have water every day. Camels eat leafy hay, alfalfa, and rolled grains. The little circus ponies are getting their share of the hay, too. Long before the big show starts, many children come to the circus grounds. Watch out there, don't get too close. The trainer is teaching this beautiful horse to dance. Other horses learn to rear. Only the most beautiful horses are used in the circus show. This horse is a Palomino. He must be kept clean. This young trainer is proud of his horse. He washes the horse every day to make him look his best. The trainer brushes the horse's mane to make it look smooth and shiny. Now the horse is ready for his blanket. Notice that the part of the blanket which covers the horse's head has holes cut in it so the horse can see. Soon he will go into the big tent to do his tricks. Here is a circus clown. In the show, he wears a policeman's suit. He wears great big shoes. He is a very funny clown. His dog helps him in his act. The clown brushes his dog every day to keep his coat clean and to make it shine. The clown loves his dog and takes good care of him. Now the policeman clown is dressed and ready to take his dog into the big top. Watch the seal climb the ladder. This seal rides the horse in the circus show. If you watch the trainer, you will see him throw the seal some fish for climbing the ladder. Now the circus show has started. All the animals will go into the big tent to perform. The elephants go in first. This elephant lifts his rider gently and places her on his head. Then they start for their place in the opening parade. All the people are glad that the circus is beginning. They have been waiting to see the circus animals do their tricks.